Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Guys, we did so well on the Solana trade. Great job for everybody who's in here. I know a lot of people have been emailing me about this. They're doing really well. I know there's a lot on the chart today. So let me cover what happened on here because I did just update the new buy limit for us. So make sure you guys watch this whole video. This will make perfect sense at the end. Okay. Real quickly, guys, we just went 67 for 67 wins on this channel. We have not lost a trade yet. I promise you guys, when you get in the Telegram channel, you're going to be able to see all of this in here, the analysis, date stamps on everything. I'll show that to you guys. All right. I started the Telegram group about, I would say it's just over a month ago now. I had some traders come in and they're like, "Hey, Travis, you should start a Telegram channel where you update us." And I was like, "Oh, I don't know. I want to do just YouTube." But then I started doing this and you guys love it. So I'm super excited to be able to give that to you guys. All right, let's get over here. I will teach you guys how to get into the next trades so you do not miss another trade setup so you guys can keep winning trades with us over here. I'll be in the second half of this video, so don't miss that. Let's get straight into the analysis right now. We got into this trade on October 22nd over here, and it was at 195.49. Let me get this a little bit bigger so you guys can actually see the spread of the prices here. This was on October 22nd. October 25th, which was yesterday because we were on 26th today. Yesterday, I ended up calling a 25% exit up here. This is also called out in the Telegram channel. At 208.13, we locked in profit up here for 6.40%. I said, you know what? This is probably looking like it's going to go down further, so I don't want us to keep our remaining 50% at break even. So what I did is I moved our stop loss up here to 203.09, and everybody just got triggered out literally like minutes ago on this trade. So you guys were able to take home another about 3.49% profit on that first buy limit. So great job, guys. This trade is officially closed. Now, what I want you guys to pay attention to now is the next buy limit, okay? So let's get rid of this on the charts. I'm going to get rid of all this. And then what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to I want to remove this one here. I'm just I'm going to leave it where it is right now. I'm just going to take this off. This is not at the current price. I'm sorry I'm doing that. I want to do this all live with you guys so I don't miss anything. This is not hit yet, actually. So this is not the price. Here's what I want you guys to do. Let me do this in the beginning because I don't want to confuse you guys. What you need to do right now, I normally do this in the second half. Give me some grace, guys. I'll go over the analysis, but here's what you guys need to do. If you guys set up your membership, it's just $49 a month under pricing. Okay, come over to the live trades this morning and then come over here and click on Solana. What you guys can do right now is I'm going to keep this private for the paying subscribers, but this is what you're going to do. I'm going to use Bitcoin for an example because this is kind of an urgent call and I want to get it out now because you're probably going to hit the buy limit very fast. What you're going to do, pretend it's a Solana, guys. This morning, this is going to say 10/26/2021 when it updates here in literally about 45 minutes. You're going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price for Solana and all of our coins. The price is going to be very close to the buy limit right now. I would highly recommend you guys wait until that buy limit is hit, get it set up this morning, and then set up your sell limit at the yellow line above the price. So pretend this is Solana. You're going to see a yellow line below the current price, or it's going to be very close to the current price. Get into that trade, and then you guys are going to be riding this up. If you have $1,000, you need to split it into 25% increments. So $1,000, 250, 250, 250, 250, okay? That's how you guys end up getting into the trade setup. All right, I'll cover this in the second half, but I wanted to give that to you guys. And again, simply just go to live trades, come down here and click Solana, and you guys will see that because the next buy limit is pretty close to where we're currently at, but I want to keep that for you guys who are in the channel. All right, now let's watch to see how we were able to predict this. Guys, these indicators, you have to get these on your charts, okay? It's very rare that I'm like, you guys have to do something, but after trading, this is now about 3,500 hours that I've traded with crypto. I've done actually crypto and Forex in a past business that I ended up running here on YouTube. The past business I did, I went for Forex. I won 64 for 64 trades before I actually ended up selling that business, and I hadn't lost a trade yet. It's super fun for me because now I transitioned all of what I know over to crypto, and we were at 67, so I've kind of like beat a little bit of a personal record just for myself. It's kind of fun for me. But what I want to show you guys in here is how in the world are we literally able to go 67 for 67 wins in here? And we're not just doing 1 to 2% scalps in the market. Like we've had trades that go 20 to 30%. We took a 32% profit on Bitcoin just about 2 weeks ago. Watch this. It's part of the indicators in here. If you guys have these on your charts, and I'll show you guys how to use these, when this gets into the top red section here, this is when we are expecting drops back down in the market. Now, we do not need to see this head down right away, but it is enough to tell us at least don't FOMO in. Let me prove this. When we push up in the top red section here, what happened? On this green candle, that was as high as we went, and we went back down. Could Solana have gone higher? Absolutely, but it stopped for this indicator here. Now we push up into the top red section here, and what we're also seeing is the well money flow push up into the top section here, which is the green, the price structures in pink here. When we see the flow of money get into these high prices here, it doesn't matter if you're looking here or if you're even looking here. The point of this is don't FOMO into either one of them, because this is at a top section and that is as well. So some people in here are like, okay, well, I at least got in here and I made my 2% in here. No, what most people did is they tried to hold for the moon. I'm being honest here. And they ended up having to hold all the way back down here, and they lost all that confidence in the trade. We ended up buying trades down here, and we've won 16 trades in a row just off this one section here, while people are basically, they weren't able to actually get into profit since we got back over here because they FOMO'd into the top positions. Okay, now follow me over here. When we got into the top section here, what happened? We could not go any higher. We actually simply just consolidated in the market, and then we headed back down. Then we come over to this top section here. What's happening on the charts? It's a form of divergence. You guys see a high and another higher high, thinking that Solana is just going to keep going. But if you're watching this, when the trend exhaustion in the top section, what do we expect? Moves back down. Great, we got a little bit of move there. But if it keeps heading up, this is when these indicators honestly actually get more accurate. And when this is showing that this is creating a high and a lower high, showing that the trend wants to move back down, and you even see the wealth money flow topped out up here and price goes up, it's like, hey, no, you need to be watching for moves back down in the market. That's what we did. We did not FOMO in. We got down here, we won our trade, and bada boom, bada bang. We end up winning another trade on the market. Okay, now looking at this, the trend exhaustion was at the high point. This is where we ended up dropping down. Could Solana have gone higher? Absolutely, it could have, but it could not. The indicator is telling it stop. You cannot go any higher. You should not be going any higher. It's really weird how that happens. And I don't want to say should, because we should always say something could happen in the market. Nothing should happen. But we are seeing with pretty high accuracy that when we get to the top section up here, we are seeing drops. This is why I want you guys to get this on your charts, because even when we get down to the bottom red section, this is when we're seeing moves back up in the market. Do you guys see that? I know you guys are seeing this touch of the ascending support line here, but this is only after the second one was drawn that I could do this. Do you guys understand that this line is not possible to draw until you actually get a low, a high, and a higher low formation? But how is the higher low called? Could have Solana moved all the way down here to the actual structure we had of basically it was a descending support line? Yes. But it did not. It stopped for the trend exhaustion and the price moved back up. Even down here, we could have gone lower, but the price didn't. It stopped and consolidated and then moved up for the indicator down here, as well as the flow of money. I'm telling you guys, get these two indicators on your charts. It will be the best technical analysis you guys will do, hands down. I promise you guys. And by the way, it's going up in price in 5 days. You have 5 days left, and I'm upping the prices of these. The price for well money flow is going up. I'll show you how to get that in the second half of this video. Let's do this. So here's the indicators over here. I'll show you under the indicators tab real quick so you guys don't miss this. I know I usually do this in the second half, but I want you guys to watch this video, get into the buy limit, and just get set up because I think this trade's going to be triggered fast. I'll normally do this on the second half of the videos. But price versus well money flow is here, guys. Make sure you snag that. That's going up in price. You have 5 days left. Seriously, it's at the end of the month. I'm going to up it. Trend exhaustion is going up as well. Trend exhaustion, trend dashboard will be going up before the end of the year. The bundle pack is the best thing to get, guys, because this will actually give you guys 80% off everything. This will appreciate in value, so make sure you guys get that. Great. Let's go over here, and I want to dive into the actual metrics today for Solana. The emotional index in here is sitting in the excited area. Why is it sitting up in excited? And why did we almost push up into greedy? It's because Solana is going up over here. It's just continually going up, and it's continuing over here at this high place over here about 216, and we did actually break that, and we got all the way up to about 218.53. Now, you need to watch this. As you see retail traders in the market get excited, we need to watch for wells and institutions that actually look to short this out. And that's what we're seeing down on this metric over here, but we're also seeing this on a blockchain metric as well. Short trades are drastically have been increasing on Solana. Okay, with that short trade increasing, that is why we've been seeing these great drops back down in the market, and why this has not just gone up and up and up and up and up like Bitcoin did, a couple weeks ago. We are seeing a lot of pressure be placed on long trades, and we are getting fast drops back down. What we're going to do on this channel is we're going to be playing these moves in here where we're just going to buy into the dips and we're going to sell. Buy, sell, buy, sell. We're going to do this over and over again, take advantage of compound interest. The point of this that I want to point out to you guys today is I want you guys to understand here that when you guys push up into the top prices up here and you guys see competition with short trades in the market, this puts a bearish pressure on top of all the long trades. So if you guys are going long in here and you're looking to FOMO into prices, first of all, you need to track the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow. This is clearly calling moves down before it happens. But then come over here and look at the on-chain metrics. If short trades are increasing, guys, this is a great sign we're probably going to see drops back down in the market. market. Now let's move over here. Long for short trade risk. Is it better to take good short trades or good long trades? Well, the favor lies on the side over here because the blue metric bar is in the top section of great short trade and good short trade. We are nowhere over here into the good long trade or good or great long trade section. When we are, this is where prices usually go up. When we're over here, this is where prices usually go up. When it's over here, this is where prices go up, okay? It's a very good metric to keep you guys on the right side of the market for trading. We only take long trades on this channel. I want to make that clear, okay? We don't trade short anymore. I took a short trade on Ethereum. We won the short trade, great. We only take long trades. It's just easier for our mind to, I don't want my mind to be like twisted of trying to do a long trade and a short trade at the same time. It's just confusing. Okay, look at this. Not only do we see in the market here from a blockchain perspective that short trades are drastically increasing, we see smart money and institutions in here also looking for short trades. Okay, guys, we see this up here, and this is where we've been seeing these drops back down. We are seeing this happen very strongly here. Make sure that next buy limit is set up because it is set up around this area so you guys can get in and not miss the next pump up. Okay, as far as they move back down on support resistance, I'm going to get questions about this, so I want to be slow here. And then after this, I'll show you guys how to set up everything up. Here's what you need to be watching for. The next greatest structure of support for Solana is over here at 177, down here at 165. So let's look at 177 and 165. 177 puts us at this structure. 165 puts us just a little bit lower. This is the structure that we are contending for a massive drop back down as well as this one here. It is just the greatest place for a bounce back up. Now, with this much bullish momentum into the market where it's just continually going up, a lot of people saying it's altcoin season, we're just going to keep going up. I'm not going to argue with that. We may actually, but what I want you guys to watch in here is to see this support in here, which is probably where we're going to bounce nicely. Now, do you see what else is going to happen at that point? Most likely, if we move down there, the trend exhaustion is also going to push into the bottom red section here, as well as the flow of money is probably going to push down, creating literally what I call a springboard trampoline action here, where the price is due for a bounce back up. I'm telling you guys, if you understand this, watch how accurate this metric is in here. It is literally calling moves up before it happens. There's not another indicator, in my opinion. I'm trying not to be arrogant about this, but coming from someone who's coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers, like I'm telling you guys, these two indicators are insane at calling moves back up, and I've been proving that to you guys, and hopefully our win rate of 67 trades in a row can prove that. Let's continue real quick over here. As far as, let me cover this. As far as move back up, guys, I'm just looking at structure high here, which is at 218. It's more important to look at the drop down here, in my personal opinion. Dollar cost average entries here. Let's say you have $10,000 and you want to throw $1,000 into the market and literally just let it ride for like 10 to 15 years. This is what you guys are going to be looking to do. Great prices down here. Everybody who's ever taken a signal on this channel, you guys are all in some massive profit right now. Great job. Simply holding for long term. Now come over here. Do you guys see something happening? We are getting these signals on the chart here for looking for exit points for our long trades to say, hey, this might be due for a drop back down. What did we do? We followed this. We exited. I showed you guys in the beginning, exiting 50%, exiting 25%. We've won the trade. We've made profit. We're in cash now. Now we're looking to get into the next trade setup for Solana, and I do believe it's going to happen probably today or tomorrow. So let's move into that right now. I know I went over this already, but let me show this to you guys again real fast because I'll show you how to get in the Telegram channel because that's really important. Pricing is $49 a month. Yes, I am looking to up the price of this. I say this on almost every video. I do not have a specific date for this, but I am going to be looking to up it because it's just simply worth more, just to be honest, okay? We literally have millionaires trading in here for $49 a month, and they're making their living on our trading system. I'm happy about that. I'm not mad at all. I want more people to come in here because I want to give retail traders a place where they can safely go, follow a YouTube channel, and get into a community where literally we have multi-millionaire traders in here, some of them trading with $5, $6, $7, $10 million with our strategy, okay? I coach a lot of wealthy clients. I'll just say that. My history of like coaching hedge funds, and also big wells is just it's accumulated in this business here. So anyways, we have a lot of money trading over here. I want to keep it cheap for everybody. So once you guys get your membership, set up your buy limits. That's all you guys need to do. Now, obviously, today we're talking about Solana. So once you guys have that set up, like I showed you for Bitcoin, get into any of these cryptocurrencies we have on the channel here. Any of these, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, ADA, VT, Matic, Ripple, Solana, Link, DOT. Any of these, you guys are going to see this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time at 10:26, which is today, you guys are going to see buy limits update. Every single day, you guys need to be coming in here and just quickly checking to see if your buy limits have updated. Update them in your Coinbase account. That's where I suggest you guys trade. It's where I personally trade. I want you guys to not use leverage. I want to make that clear. I get this email. It's probably the number one email I get. Travis, can we use leverage? I do not recommend using leverage. It will throw off the dollar cost average entries. Once your first buy limit is hit, simply guys just set your sell limit up here at the first yellow line above your first buy limit. This video down here will explain everything if you have any questions, or just simply email me if you have questions as well. Once you guys do that, make sure you're joining into the Telegram channel, which is provided with a hot link for the members once you guys sign up. Once you guys click this, you will see a link. You guys need to be signed into Telegram on your phone or your computer before you click this, and then it will add you guys into the Telegram channel over here where I'm calling exits. Now, make sure you guys are following the indicators over here because I'm using them in the analysis. These are going up in price, like I already mentioned. Price per swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion. Make sure you at minimum have these. If you guys want the bundle pack, literally, I have this 81% off right now, and I am looking to up the price of this soon. So make sure you guys, just giving you a heads up, make sure you guys are in here and you guys are looking to snag this before it does go up. I may do some type of special here coming up next month for Black Friday or whatever. I do not know what that is. It's not going to be a huge discount. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. So you're not missing out on anything because I want you guys to get this now and so you guys can have this to trade. Make sure you guys get the bundle pack. Make sure you guys are getting these on your charts. Follow me. We are going to try to go 70 for 70 winning trades before the end of the month. We have about 5 days left here. So make sure you guys snag the indicators. Get your membership, set your buy limits up, and then you guys will literally have me like a coach over here on Telegram. Literally, just do this today, and you guys will actually see me put updates in here because I'm going to post the YouTube videos, and you'll just see me update this. And it's like literally sitting at your home, trading with the buy limits. I'm covering every single coin. Real quick, let me say this and I'll end this video because I know it's getting long. The reason why I don't add more coins in here, guys, is because I want to promise you that I can actually give you guys accurate updates on all 10 of these. Like, I know there's other coins you're like, oh, there could be more potential. I understand that. But we're making 20 to 30% gains on some of these coins. If you guys get into there, I will cover every single one over here, and I promise I can give you guys dedicated support for this. I'm not overwhelming myself with these 10 coins. I perfectly can manage this. Once I know the confidence in that, that should give you guys confidence of like, you know what? If Matic is going through the roof, I'm going to give you guys an exit call. That is why I don't add more coins, because I want you guys to have my best ability to give you guys all the updates. So anyways, that's all I've got for you guys today. Let's make some more money. Get the indicators in the description. Make sure you guys get your membership at tradeconfident.io. Get your buy limits set up. Okay, not financial advice, but get your guys' buy limits set up. Get into these trades. Get the indicators. Predict the moves up and down. Follow me on YouTube and follow me on Telegram, and let's go 70 for 70 wins on this channel. I'll see you guys later. God bless you so much, and let's make some more profits. Bye, guys.